Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.